Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Let's start friends. In this video we know about guidelines on school adoption program. This is the letter Government of Odisha School and Mass Education Department letter number notification number 3563 dated 15 February 2021. Subject Guidelines on school adoption program and frequently asked questions. Government have been pleased to approve the following details guidelines on school adoptions program along with frequently asked questions which will become into force with the immediate effect. The concept of school adoption program. The contribution through the Mo school are not limited to financial and material resources. So Mo school adoption program aims at leveraging the intellectual capital and professional success of the alumni to trigger processes which will lead to transformations and improvement in the overall academic and co-academic environment of the school. This is a program which promotes voluntarism and allows a leading member of society to adopt a maximum of 3 schools and personally get involved in supporting the school. In choosing to adopt a school, one can take up one's alma mater or a school where one's parents studied or a school belonging to an area of personal interest or for any other reason or passion. Interventions under school adoption program and institutions to become world-class needs physical, digital, intellectual and emotional infrastructure. All these components are interlinked and complementary to each other. School adoption program brings everyone together to help build all the 4 components so that government school can excel. One may consider extending one's leads to support the vision of the school around following components: bridge infrastructural gaps, improve midday meal and other nutritional initiatives, develop sports infrastructure and coaching sport, ensure physical and mental well-being of students, foster human and technology-enabled interventions to enhance the educational ecosystem and make it at par with world standards. Then who can adopt? An Indian citizen who is a leading member of the society can adopt a school. He or she must specify the school and share personal details. The school adoption process. Step 1. The interested individuals may send a letter of interest to Member Secretary Mo School on adoptions of schools spd.osepa@nic.in or office@moischool.net. He or she must specify the school of choice and share personal details. Step 2. After receipt of the letter of interest, a special cell, school adoption cell, designated to deal with the school adoption process at the School and Mass Education Department level, will undertake quick official process at the department and district administration level, and in case of acceptance, send an acknowledgement letter within 10 working days. Step 3. The office of Mo School contacts the adopting persons or mentor through telephone or via email and sends a brief information on the adopted school and contact details of the head teacher of the adopted school, block education officer and district education officer. Step 4. The head teacher establishes the connection and initiate the interference meeting. The mentor and school key stakeholder will get organized either through virtual mode or physical mode. Step 5. Based on the meeting proceedings, the head teachers develop a work plan indicating the project activity in consultations with the mentor, alumni and school management committee or school management development committee. The work plan may include chapter on physical infrastructure, digital infrastructure, intellectual infrastructure and emotional infrastructure. All these components are interlinked and complementary to each other. The focus of the intervention will be to bring everyone together to help build all the 4 layers so the government school will once again hold the pride of place they once did. Step 6. The school creates a baseline or photo or AV documents on the status or situation prior to the interventions with technical support from Mo School Vision and upload the documents or reports in the school website. Okay. Step 7. The school posts the update on the intervention on a periodic basis and inform the DO views on the progress. Step 8. Mo school and headmaster organize the experience sharing program biannually. Step 9. The headmaster develop the final report, that is print or photos or AVs, and share with all stakeholders including the school and mass education department. The role of the school: A. Linking alumni, SMC and adopted individuals. It is critical to engage mentors with the school alumni and SMC, etc. Once the school adoption process gets formalized, the headmaster will establish contact and coordinate with the mentor. The headmaster will adopt a status report on the school's facilitated regular interface meeting between staff, parents, alumni and SMC and the mentor. B. Development of plan of actions. Each adopted school develop a plan of action for the school adoption program in the consultations with DO and BO. C. Maintain a program diary. The headmaster will maintain a diary and record the events proceedings of happening with the mentor, alumni and stakeholders. D. Uploading the important information and events in school micro websites. Once the school level interventions are finalized, the head teacher will upload the current status, interventions plans and relevant photographs in the school website along with the vital information of the school. The school website will capture and share experience and innovations practice for school learning. Rule of the adopting person. As a person with the wide experience and exposure, one may have many ideas relating to the school he or she chooses to adopt. The voluntary association of the mentor will be for specific purpose and specific period. The program allows the school to develop a school development action plan for this purpose and an indicative list of activities. Activities have been put together to support in developing a plan of action. However, the list is only indicative. One can go beyond this list and set benchmarks for others to follow. The indicative list of activities that may be taken up are broadly divided into 3 categories, which are further described in sub-points. 1. To establish a connection with the student, especially senior student who may be preparing for board exam, and bridge any gaps as per one's capacity, time and resources. Arrange coaching classes for certain subject. Arrange career counseling session. Tie up with something like the Super 30 classroom for outstanding student. Organize inspirational talks by motivational speakers. Set up awards, case or any incentive to motivate the student. Mentor a group of students and handhold them. To use your current experience and position as an influencer to motivate the community, especially parents. Parents play a critical role in the growth and aspiration level of children. Hence, your connection with the parents and community could greatly enrich the learning experience of your child. Hold motivational talks for parents and open them up to the wider possibilities available today. To influence alumni of the school from all over to come forward and enrich the school environment and its students. Third, the contribute to the physical infrastructure of the school. Help set up libraries, science labs, smart classrooms, digital infrastructure, playgrounds and sports equipment. Among others, the adopting person is expected to play a role of mentor and to be an influencer and not be involved in any administrative or any financial activity of the school. The voluntary association of the mentor will be for specific purpose and specific period. Role of Mo School Vision. A school and mentor engagement program. Mo School will facilitate virtual engagement of the mentor with school authorities. To facilitate with school will run regular events, campaigns, etc. that involve all stakeholders on weekends, festivals, etc. Mentor support. Recognition system for head teachers and staff of the school. Those will be doing exemplary work under the school adoption program. Ordered that the notification be published in extraordinary issue of the Odisha Gazette for general information. Also ordered that the copies of resolution be forwarded to the Secretary to His Excellency the Governor of Odisha, all minister, all department of government, all heads of department, all revenue divisional commissioners, all collector and accountant general ANE Odisha BPBSR by order of governor, principal secretary to government. This is the letter. Dekhantu, these are the memo. Thank you friends. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. See you again soon.